Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Blue Yeti microphone not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what we have to do first of all. You need to right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, select sound and then select the correct output. The correct output in the sense of speakers and the correct microphone here. Now I'll tell you why. So how would you acknowledge whether the microphone is working or not? You would either run a Microsoft microphone test or you would just listen to the audio from your system. So Blue Yeti has a lot of different models and a few models act as both the output speaker with an option to connect an actual speaker to it through a 3.5 jack and a microphone. So this is why you have to change it in the settings manually. Now once this is done, it should fix the problem, but if it does not, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager, expand the audio drivers, update all the drivers one by one. Okay, and then after updating the audio drivers, you can also restart the audio service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down and then you can search for the Windows audio service, right click on it and then select restart. And lastly, you can right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters, click on the corresponding to the audio troubleshooter and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.